What happens inside this secret python leather factory is far more complex than it appears.
Behind these walls, every stage is carefully controlled. The journey begins with controlled handling and detailed inspection.
Its extraordinary natural pattern is one reason this material is so visually distinctive.
This hidden facility operates as one continuous production journey.
Before processing begins, every important measurement is recorded.
The first priority is controlled and professional handling.
Precision begins long before the material reaches the machines.
Its unusual size requires specialized measurement equipment. Every section is examined for its natural characteristics.
The pattern is documented because its natural geometry becomes important later.
The processing environment is prepared under strict cleanliness controls.
Every operation begins only after safety checks are complete.
Moving a subject of this scale requires coordination.
Now the process moves from inspection into material preparation. The next stage begins the transformation into workable leather material. The surface must be positioned carefully to protect its distinctive pattern. Precision preparation removes unwanted material while protecting the valuable outer surface.
Its unusual dimensions require several specialists working together.
Even the edges receive detailed inspection before treatment.
Controlled cleaning prepares the material for treatment.
The cleaning cycle removes remaining surface residue.
Every cleaning parameter is carefully monitored.
After cleaning, the natural pattern becomes even clearer.
The surface texture is now ready for the next transformation.
Controlled conditioning stabilizes the material before tanning.
Stable moisture and temperature help create predictable results.
Then, the material reaches one of the factory's most important machines.
The material is loaded carefully for even treatment.
Once sealed, the controlled treatment cycle can begin.
The transformation begins under carefully controlled conditions.
Itself both in time. Rotation helps distribute treatment evenly throughout the material.
Inside the sealed chamber, controlled movement drives the transformation.
Experienced operators monitor the process continuously.
Recorded measurements provide a detailed quality history.
The first major treatment cycle is complete. The material has changed significantly while its natural character remains.
Flexibility is one of the key qualities evaluated at this stage.
Laboratory testing adds another layer of quality control. The results determine whether the material can move forward.
After approval, the material moves into controlled conditioning. Controlled airflow helps the material reach a stable moisture balance. Conditioning prepares the material for mechanical finishing.
Large hides must be checked across their entire surface.
Uniform drying protects consistency before final finishing. Mechanical finishing begins by creating a flatter, more workable surface. Even tension is essential when working with such a textured surface. Hand finishing corrects the subtle variations machinery cannot always remove.
The next inspection focuses on appearance and uniformity.
The natural pattern itself becomes part of the luxury material's identity. Before treating the entire surface, the finish is tested on a sample. The objective is enhancement without hiding the natural texture. Side-by-side comparison helps select the most suitable finish. Once approved, the selected finish is prepared for full-scale application. A controlled application creates an even finish across the enormous surface. The finish remains deliberately subtle, so the natural scales stay visible. Multiple lighting angles reveal details that ordinary inspection can miss. Minor corrections are made before final approval. A second controlled pass refines the surface. Now the transformation is impossible to miss. Touch reveals qualities that visual inspection alone cannot measure. Mechanical testing verifies how the material responds to repeated movement. Consistent thickness is essential for predictable luxury manufacturing. A complete digital record is created before the material enters design.
Digital documentation preserves the material's visual identity.
Final inspection combines appearance, measurements, and material performance.
At this level, even tiny imperfections matter.
Its extraordinary size makes handling and measurement especially demanding. Careful rolling protects the finished surface. Protective handling keeps the material safe between departments. Finished leather is stored under carefully controlled conditions. Environmental conditions protect the material during storage.
Now the material leaves industrial processing and enters the design stage.
Designers study the natural pattern before deciding how to use it.
The natural pattern becomes part of the product design. Digital planning helps align the natural pattern with the final shape.
Precision cutting transforms the hide into individual product components. Every contour is cut with carefully controlled movement.
The cut pieces are organized before assembly begins.
Pattern matching creates the seamless appearance expected from luxury craftsmanship. Each component receives another layer of detailed craftsmanship.
Clean edges give the finished product a precise appearance.
The individual components are now ready for precise assembly.
Controlled stitching creates strong, clean connections.
Every seam is checked before the next assembly stage.
The separate pieces are beginning to form a recognizable luxury product.
Curved surfaces require precise tension and careful positioning. Symmetry is checked before decorative hardware is added.
The natural pattern is carefully preserved across the finished seams.
Inside the product, hidden layers provide structure and durability.
The hardware is fitted carefully to complement the natural leather. Final assembly combines natural material with precision craftsmanship. Final surface treatment brings out the depth of the natural pattern. The transformation is now becoming a finished luxury object. Before release, every visible detail receives final inspection. The seams must withstand controlled stress without losing their appearance.
Final measurements confirm that the finished product meets its specifications. Protective packaging keeps the finished surface pristine. The natural pattern creates a distinctive identity across the finished collection.
Every detail reveals the combination of natural texture and precise craftsmanship. What began as natural material has become a carefully engineered luxury object.
For the design team, the final result represents countless precise decisions.
Every finished piece represents an entire chain of specialized production.
The secret is not one machine, but the sequence of carefully controlled stages.
Detailed records preserve quality information from every stage. Reference samples help maintain consistency throughout future production.
When one journey ends, the factory prepares for another.
The final product still carries the unmistakable visual identity of its natural material. At close range, the complexity of the natural surface becomes even more striking. The craftsmanship continues inside, where the smallest details remain hidden.
Even the highest stress connection points receive careful reinforcement. The final protective case prepares the product for its next destination.
The entire transformation can now be understood as one continuous journey.
Preparation, treatment, conditioning, finishing, and craftsmanship all lead to the same final result.
After an extraordinary journey, the material reaches its final form.
Natural texture, precision processing, and skilled craftsmanship meet in one object.
The final piece preserves the distinctive character of the natural material.
A remarkable material has traveled through an equally remarkable production process.
From the mysterious factory floor to a finished luxury creation, every stage changed the material while preserving its natural identity.
Now you have seen what really happens inside the secret Python leather factory.